Hello and welcome to Zimstek Media. Zimbabwean GT musician Baba Harare has taken to social media to thank his fans for their continued support. Baba Harare says he can safely say he's cruising nicely. His transition from GT to gospel music and his rebranding to King David received mixed reactions from fans and the music industry in 2024. Some fans felt betrayed while others supported his decision, citing it as a personal choice. His gospel music, particularly the album Repentance, drew attention, but he also faced criticism and logistical challenges, including issues with payment for gospel performances. Many fans welcomed his return to GT music, with some stating that his gospel adventure was just a detour. His decision to return to GT has been framed as a strategic move, with some praising his authenticity and commitment to his craft. Others have questioned the move, citing concerns about his spiritual journey. For more stories, please do like and subscribe.